Hello, this is Chaz Rubino with another Postalytics quick hit video on how to format your personal URLs. So, you can see here I am in the step of the campaign wizard that's called tracking, where you have to format your personal URLs. So that means you already have the personal URL placeholder on your template. You have proofed your template, and now you're going to send out your campaign, but you want to choose how to format these personal URLs. So the first thing we did here is we're going to use a vanity domain. So this is a domain that you've either purchased from Postalytics, which we have help articles on, or you've configured a domain that you own outside of Postalytics, like from a registrar like GoDaddy. We also have help articles on that called configuring your existing domain. So when you're choosing your domain down here, you'll choose one that you've either purchased or, like I have here, mailattribution.com, or a domain that you already own. So that's the first step. If you are going to purchase a domain through us or otherwise, um, some tricks or recommendations I can make is to choose a domain that A, is as short as possible, and B, has some relevance to either your company or your campaign. So if you're in real estate, something like sellhomes.com, or to be, short and relevant, although that does not match your company, right? So you have your real estate company, but you're doing sell homes because it's relevant to the efforts of your campaign. So here I have mail attribution. That's something that we use that isn't necessarily um, related to the Postalytics name and brand. However, it is relevant because we are big on tracking your mail and giving attribution back to your mail campaigns, right? Okay, so from here we get to choose whether we're going to choose from a random URL strings, which has a fixed width, or friendly URL strings, which can have variable width. And I wouldn't say that there is one that outperforms the other. I would think about what you do, the type of campaign you're running, and who your audience is. For example, if you were selling um, something in the financial industry, you probably don't want to show that you're displaying their data, right? They could get threatened or be intimidated by you showing their first name and last name or data about them in their URL. So in that case, I would suggest using the random URL strings. Like here, we chose 4 random letters and numbers. It previews here zdn1.mailattribution.com. Now, the other benefit of this, again, is that it's short. So this is 4 digits, zdn1.mailattribution.com. That's easy to type in. If you have a short domain as well, it's very easy for the audience to receive their mail pieces, go online, enter this URL, and then be redirected to their personalized landing page. Now, on the other side, we have the friendly URL strings. There is a certain level of curiosity with someone seeing their first name and last name in the URL. This is a URL that's specific to me. I want to go and visit it and see what's on that page. Also, as it is in the title, it is very friendly. It's friendly to see your own name. People know how to spell their own names, so they can do something like first name, last name dot domain.com, and that can be the domain, and that can be the URL that you're driving folks to. Again, that's up to you. I would not say that a random URL versus a friendly, one's better than the other. It's kind of on preference and what you do and who you're sending mail to. So if you have any questions about formatting your personal URLs, you can reach out to us at support@postalytics.com. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.